Good morning, Starlight with Creative Bespoke. Want to go over basically the whole entire build sheet and all the performance and exterior packaging that we have done on our 2020 Urus. This is the first Keyvany Urus that has built in the United States. Keyvany is one of the premier manufacturer of fine carbon fiber in the world. The process all built in Germany. The quality of carbon is next to none. The quality of fitment is as good as factory OEM parts. They fit like a glove. There's very minimal amount of pre-fitting that needs to be done prior to fitting the car. The whole entire clip of this vehicle is changed to a carbon fiber. The carbon fiber is a thicker weave of 3x3 diagonal. Right here, the weave meets right down the middle. So the kit includes of the full carbon vented hood, the full entire very aggressive carbon fiber front bumper. Mansory and Keyvany are the only two companies that replace a whole entire bumper front and rear. Every other kits for Uruses are just attachment to the factory stuff. Now Keyvany and Mansory used to work together. They're separate now, and Keyvany was in charge of all the manufacturing of parts and carbon fiber for Mansory. So the quality is absolutely amazing. You see the LED lights here, daytime running light that just like the factory, the daytime running light from factory. So it basically has the same resemblance of that. Okay, we did the whole entire carbon fiber in dry carbon, so it has a satin look to it, down to the detail work. So the vents here, they come with the mesh, and even behind the mesh has a carbon fiber plate that is the same carbon fiber. So when the sun hits it, you will see the carbon fiber. So if you want to kind of take a look here, you will see that behind all the fencing, there are some carbon fiber plates, and that's side skirts, carbon, mirror caps, obviously the aero badging right there, the full entire carbon fiber rear bumper replacement, carbon fiber wing, and the roof wing. Also, you get the third light bar in carbon fiber with the third brake light right in here. So obviously the vents you'll see here. So that's basically covers the whole entire body kit. Also the Keyrus and Keyvany badging in carbon fiber. We went ahead and redid the interior. We added a lot of white. The car has an Alcantara leather on it. We did this steering wheel, floor mats. So the car looks amazing on that. We also we have two sets of wheels for it. One is a Brixton Forge with the copper type of look, which has a nice contrast. We also have a set of Vossen wheels in gloss black. So you can take it, kind of choose of what two brands you want to go with. We did add a little bit of, the car already been lowered, okay, with the lowering links. There's absolutely no rubbing anywhere. Full Novitec exhaust system and a Gintani tune to bring it up to about 800 horsepower. So we did painted the cover for the engine. We added an Italian flag and to match the white interior of the car. So that's basically the full build. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car so you kind of can listen to the exhaust. So after hearing the exhaust, I want to go about a couple of other minor things that, not minor, but things that we've done. The car has been completely painted satin gray. so it complements the dry carbon. So everything on the car is basically satin. If you look on the inside, we have also added the Keyvany pedal, the 3 pedals for the foot pedal, rest pedal, brake, and a gas pedal, which matches all the aluminum on the inside. The car does have a factory dry wood in here, and also we have added the Starlight headliner. So that basically completes the whole entire build sheet on the vehicle. The build sheet on the retail is somewhere around north of 170,000. The kit alone is about 120 grand retail. The installation, the paint, the wheels, tires, exhaust, tune, Starlight headliner, so on and so forth. That brings up to about 170,000. This is a very, very special vehicle. It's one of one with the dry carbon. It's the only one in the United States as of right now. There's not another one that is here. We do have 2 more kits on order, which is gonna be about 60 to 90 days out before we can receive the next kit. So whoever ends up with this vehicle, they're gonna get a hell of a car that is next to none in the country. Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon.